action, constitutional reaction. Maintaining civil rights easier than you think. It's what another human can't hold before the bench. Cold hard cash just to make the court blink. Constitutional pressure while the paperwork sinks. For every valid action, valid inaction. If you ain't making action, that's inaction. Both action and inaction got protection. Constitutional rights in every direction. Were you arbitration? Action in motion. Were you the Constitution? Silent devotion. Then the court twists words with procedural erosion. Counterclaim drowning constitutional ocean. Suit became an action. Reversal transaction. Pay the court cash for judicial interaction. Language manipulation through legal abstraction. Cold hard cash from the constitutional traction. Action in action, constitutional right. Courtroom shadows in the middle of the night. Action in action. Who decides the fight? Necessity defense under fluorescent lights. What's justice when the language bends? What's fairness when procedure defends? What's freedom when the payment never ends? Beatbox law where the Constitution transcends. When a judge determines the crime was required, prevent greater harm, legal wires inspired. Case gets dismissed though the sentence expires. Necessity defense raising moral fires. Lesser of two evils echo in chambers. Citizen walking through procedural dangers. Judge and jury sometimes praise the behavior. Justified conduct rewriting the nature. Asymmetric justification and balance alive. State necessity accepted by institutional size. Citizen same claim suddenly denied. Protecting authority while equality dies. Protection of the judicial apparatus. Systemic practice built around status. Credibility over fairness automatic. Universal justice turned bureaucratic. Preemption of citizen agency flows. Not punished for harm but for stepping too close. State wants exclusive monopoly roles. Administrator of force controlling the roads. Action in action, constitutional right. Who gets justified under courtroom light? Action in action. Is in our state different outcomes from the very same fate. What's necessity? What's control? Who decides the constitutional role? Beatbox echoes through the parole. Cold hard cash while the gavels roll. Minority states still hold old code lines. Citizen resistance under strict confines. Probable cause missing from the guidelines. Non-deadly proportional force defined. Is directly rooted in common law frames. The Queen v. Tooley still echo the names. 729 carve resistance and claims. Reasonable force and unlawful chains. Modern statutes shifted the game. Model penal code rearranged the lanes. Admit to authority challenge later in claims. Courtroom appeals while the cuffs still remain. Imminent harm, threat urgent and real. Not future speculation or theoretical feel. No alternative path, no lawful appeal. Necessity, pressure, turning the wheel. Proportionality, balancing scales. Less harm caused than the danger unveiled. Constitutional tension through procedural trails. Truth beatbox while the paperwork sails. Imminent harm, no alternative. Proportionality, necessity, acquittal. Constitution tonight. Do both parties need freedom of speech rights? Separate voices in the courtroom light, or one gets dim while the other gets mic. Marriage court handles separate lives. Two identities under legal ties. Do both need rights when conflict arrives? With us perceived to determine who survives as the Constitution stands against violation. Cold hard cash buys judicial narration. Action in inaction in constant rotation. Beatboxing law through constitutional vibration. In action, necessity, justification. What human can hold on to rights before court? What human can pay for constitutional support? Constitution in the undertow.